And welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to add custom font in MailChimp. So guys, go to Google font as you can see here and choose the font you want to add it. For example, this font as you can see here. Click this one, guys. Just click on the font as you can see here and click get font as you can see here. After that, you have this option to get embed code. Click this source code, copy the source code. After that, guys, go to MailChimp and select your text I want to add the font and click this icon, edit, and click. After that, guys, what you have to do, click this one and just copy this code, guys. Click paste and click save. This is how you can do, guys. This is the font and you can edit for this font here. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys. Any question down below and comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.